Wow. Wow. Look at that. Mga 3/4 pa yung journey tatahakin natin so we could reach Mount Upao. Is that Mount Upao? So Mount Upao is not yet visible from here. Still, let's continue our journey. Parang we're having Survivor Philippines category. Yan. It's really good. I'm sweating a lot. Yeah. Oh. I could not deny the fact na ano talaga mahirap because it's my first time and I did not really expect na ganito yung dadaanan natin. Yan. See, that one is Mount Upao. But you know, from here, we're not actually going this part, but we're going to cross, this part. So, how long? 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes walk. Let's go. Yeah. Wow, thank God. I really thank God for this opportunity. Mga ferns, wild ferns. This is very good for decoration. Is this batuan? Ay, this one, is batuan. Yeah.
Hindi na batuan. Hindi na batuan.
Yeah, it's batuan. It's really batuan. When I was actually young, during my elementary years, we used to go up to the mountain